Hello, we are the sidelines of the DH Bengaluru 2040 event, and I'm here with Mr. Seemant Kumar, the Bengaluru Chief Commissioner. Hi, sir. Sir, what do you envision for Bengaluru in 2040? What is your dream for the city?
Quite rightly, as you said, for 2040, from the police perspective, being the head of the police right now, few years down the line, mostly about 1 decade and more, I visualize a Bangalore which is safe, which is already safe, more safer, and free of traffic problems. And most important is, it should be one of the topmost cities in the world, not in the country, to offer jobs to everyone, offer a place for everyone to come and settle, because the weather-wise, climate-wise, people-wise, culture-wise, one of the best. However, some issues are there, which if it is tackled, 2040 will be a very beautiful place to stay in Bengaluru. Yeah.
And sir, what would you say about the DH summit? What is your take on that?
DH Summit is really, it's a very wonderful event, in the sense that it's a very thoughtful event, we can say, because we need to plan for the future. So in that perspective, this planning is, in my opinion, quite good, because it's not a very big long-term plan. It's not so long, because 10 years down the line is not so far away. But yes, we need to plan now, and in that perspective, from different perspectives, whether from cybercrime perspective, whether from medical health, safety, traffic, all these issues, which are issues which in a metropole city, these are the issues which are most important to a common man. So these are the issues which have been taken up. So I was just sitting for the health debate which is going on. It's really fantastic, because the use of AI technology, use of new technology in medicines, in health. So these are the things which we need to debate. We need to sit and talk. Just not. It's not suffice to say that whatever development has happened and we just sit down. We keep innovate. So this is a very good event. I wish the event of best.